In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sam's Club Bulky Backpack. To get started, open Roblox on whatever device you normally use, whether that's a PC, mobile device, or console, and make sure you're signed into your account. Before you jump in, it helps to know that this reward is tied to a specific Roblox experience, so you won't be getting it directly from a store page. You'll need to complete an in-game event first. Once you're inside Roblox, search for the game called Chained Two-Player Obby and join it. This is a cooperative game, which means you'll need another player with you to complete the course properly. If you're playing with a friend, that makes things easier, but if not, you may need to team up with someone in the game. Since progress depends on cooperation, try to stay close and communicate clearly as you move through the objectives. After you spawn into the game, look around the lobby or starting area for the Sam's Club event NPC, sometimes referred to as the Rolly event NPC. This character is the one that starts the backpack quest. Walk up to the NPC and interact with it to begin. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the main spawn area carefully, since event characters are usually placed somewhere easy to access. When the prompt appears, accept the quest. This will activate the mission and let you begin collecting the hidden event items placed throughout the game. At this point, the main goal is to work through the map and obstacle course while keeping an eye out for everything you need to gather. From there, collect all 10 hidden items. These are scattered around the map, so you and your partner will need to explore carefully and progress through the obby together. Because the experience is designed for 2 players, teamwork is really important here. If one of you rushes ahead or misses something, it can slow down the entire run. Taking your time and checking each area thoroughly can make the process much smoother. Once you've collected all 10 items, return to the event NPC to finish the quest. This final step is important because collecting the items alone usually isn't enough. You need to go back and complete the interaction so the game can register your progress. After that, claim the Sam's Club Bulky Backpack. If free copies are still available, the item should be added to your Roblox inventory. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time to